Hello Sneha, good evening.
Yeah, good evening, Mohammad.
Yeah,
Motiwala.
Mohammad Motiwala. How are you doing today?
Yeah, I'm doing great.
Sounds
And
good.
you?
Yeah, I'm pretty good. Thank you so much for asking. So before proceed further with the discussion, let's introduce each other so we can know about each other and we can communicate further effectively. So my name is Mohammad Motiwala and I born in Gujarat, Surat, Diamond City, and I completed BCA. And as of now I am working in one of the MNC company as a team leader of website department, and I'm also running from last 15 days my YouTube channel for signing and polishing my English. So yeah, that's it.
Yeah, introduction. Yeah, so as you know, my name is Neha Singh. I'm connecting with UP, city of Greater Noida. I'm married, I'm blessed with two kids, and as well as homemaker also. And about my qualification concern, I have done graduation in BSc Botany Honors. And about my hobbies, I'm highly enthusiastic and passionate about my English fluency and communication as well as I love to do yoga and exercise and connecting with people. And because I am very somebody is calling me.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so I'm very enthusiastic. I'm improving my self connecting with the people. I love to connect with the people. And apart from running my YouTube channel that is based on a spoken English, that's all about me.
Amazing, amazing. So may I know from how many months or how many time you are running your own channel?
I completed 1 year.
Amazing. So what is the agenda to create your channel?
Yeah, my agenda was like, when I started my journey, that time only one agenda was there. That time I was not getting partner for a practice. Nowadays, I'm getting partner for very easily. For learning this language, not agenda like I'm earning money. That's why I started my YouTube channel. Only I want to become a fluent in this language. That's why I started my channel that this yeah if like your channel is going good, then you feel like that I have to work on my communication as well as like on YouTube also.
Amazing, amazing. And with the same agenda and purpose, I have created my own channel. So yeah, I am a beginner in YouTube industry and YouTube journey. So I'm doing that. And yeah, your English is very much good, I must say. So as of now, you are going to teach the co-learners, or you are still communicating with the people.
Yeah, yeah, I want to know one thing from your side. You, as you mentioned that you are working in a MNC company, then must know like you have a command of like about on this on in this language, and why you started your YouTube channel.
See, very first, same question many co-learners ask me, and yes, it's a basic question anyone can ask. So very first thing is that technical related things I know very much, and I can able to talk with my colleague or with my client in company environment relevant to the technical things. Okay, but thing is comes non-relevant to the technical things or out of my area. So I felt personally, no one said to me, but I personally observe myself like I'm not fluent, or I'm not, my English style and accent is not good. So I thought I need to improve before someone tell me like your style is not good. So therefore I have start my journey.
Okay, okay. So no, I thought like many YouTuber who is like doing in a job in IT sector. I thought like in IT, if you are going IT sector is good, like you can increase your money very fast. But I think I thought like it's a very hectic schedule. If like it's my perspective, I think like that many people think like that it's my side business I want to do. Then in future will grow. Then yeah, so that's why like many people they start own channel, YouTube channel.
Yeah, yeah, understood, understood. And yeah, maybe some person could have this kind of mindset and purpose to create the channel. But my agenda is to increase my English accent, style, and fluency.
Yeah, because you are like you get every day, maybe you are getting chance to connect with a foreigner also, like foreigner clients also. So that time you are not facing problem. You want to change your accent, you can understand very well when they will talk with you.
Absolutely right. You know what? When we are going for in particular event on in particular program, so after feeling or after entering in one kind of aura, we observe many people like they have wearing this kind of clothes. So I have to gear up myself like. And if I talk about my accent, so while communicating with the customer or giving the presentation, so no one said to me, ultimately, we have to convey our main point about the technical terms. Okay. But no, our personal our observation is that like what if I can also increase my communication skill and accent, so my personality will present in front of second person, it's another level. So yeah, it's
Mm.
all about the personal observation.
Yeah, in like if you are going to do jobs, nobody is going to point out you are telling right or not. But that time you realize yourself, I am maybe I am not fit for in public place and all, because her and he descent is far better for us. So that time realization will start. See, I am living in North India. If I am going to talk with someone, and her and his fluency is very good, and that time I'm not able to talk, that person will not tell you are not able to talk. But that time I realized I have to learn this language. I want to become like her and his.
Yeah, yeah, you are absolutely right. And if I talk about your busy schedule, like you are also mother of kids and you are housewife and you are running your home like cookings and many things. So how you are balancing many things which is in your plates?
Yeah, it depend on the person to person, because I am, as you mentioned, that I'm highly enthusiastic for learning this language. I love to very much to, like when I started learning this language, that time I could not able to talk, but slowly and gradually I able to talk. That time I realized that how is beautiful. If you are going to talk with someone, then someone will will give respect to you. Yeah, you are you are educated person, you have a knowledge about this in this language. So I can manage this way. My children went to the school at that time, I have a time for a practice and all. And yeah, it's this is a language, no need to give specific time for now I'm going to sit in a one place, then I can do solve. And this is not a maths and science, then I can solve while doing house chores work, any work. Then I can think in your mind, and this way I'm improving my self, and I'm giving time on this language. So first, I prioritize some thing which work is like I have to prioritize, and I some make some schedule before one day, and before 1 week I some make some schedule. This time I have to do this work, and in this time I have given some deadline, like 10 o'clock and 11 o'clock I have to finish all house chores work, and after that I have to do I have to give some time on this language. So this way I'm giving time on this language.
Great. So, as you said, like from last 1 year, you are running your YouTube channel. So, as per your expectation, you are on that particular level in the English. So, still you are thinking like I want to achieve in the next level, or what kind of things you want to achieve.
Course, I am considered myself every suppose if any tutor will come in front of me, that time I considered myself I am a beginner. So this is a learning process. Every time I want to see myself how can you level up in your my English. Every time I think like that. Now I feel like that I spent 1 year on this language, but I'm not satisfied on uh, because I spent this much of time, then I have to level up more. So every time I thinking like that, not thinking I'm doing work on it also. I've level
Great.
up for level up in your English.
Yeah, nice. And apart from English, I want to know about your hobbies. Like you are the person to like healthy, like swimmings or exercise. As you said, yoga you most like, and you are the person to explore different cities or place or try to different dishes or food. What kind of you are the person?
About my traveling, I would like to say earlier I would like to do traveling, but when I become a mother, that time I don't want to go anywhere because it's quite tough for if you are going to with her children. But yeah, I like I'm very health conscious person. I love to do yoga and exercise every day. This is my this is my favorite hobby. You can say I can't escape in a single day. And yeah, I love to do cooking also. Earlier, I can say this, YouTube is not only for learning this language. Any skill do you want to develop, then it's very helpful for, it's very fruitful for us. You can learn very, if any guest will come, that time you think like that this recipes I don't know, then how can you learn? So I think so this platform is very helpful for us. So any skills you want to develop and you want to learn, then you can learn very easily. So yeah, this kind of hobbies I have. And I am a quick learner. I can learn very fast any, any things. If I'm going to teach any, if I'll see on social media and all, then I can learn. I want to implement those kind of things on myself.
Yeah, that's very nice. I have one more question. Like instead of English, if you want to learn any particular language, so which two or three language are you most interested to learn?
Right now, I don't have that much. Already I have, I belong from Bihar. Then I know Hindi and English, and I don't like another because two is enough. You are carried to English. There are so many things you learn to English. You can't stop. You can't say like that. I've learned so many things in this language. So if I fluent in this language, so I think like that I no need to learn another language. It's not my cup of tea.
Understood. So you don't think like living, say, have a citizen of Indian citizen, we have to also learn a Punjabi language, Marathi or Marwadi language or Gujarati or Bengali particular language. You don't think so?
No, no. See what happened. If you are going to live for those kind of environment, so no need to pressurize some I'm not going to tell like that you will become a fluent in this language. Suppose I'm going to live in a Bengali, then for a long time if I live there, then 100% I will learn something. I'm not going to by listening. I'm not going to pressurize myself. I have to learn like Punjabi and Marathi and Gujarati all. But if I get chance to live with those kind of cities, then I will learn. But here, it's not required to learn those kind, because in India there are so many regional language. Then how many languages will learn? So it's better thing English is common language. You have a command on this language, then I think so you will not face a communication barrier. You can communicate with easily with anyone.
You are absolutely right. Correct. And in your 1 year journey of YouTube, what kind of challenges you have faced, which you want to share?
I face lots of problem, as as a mother. Sometime as a mother and as a homemaker, I have a lots of thing on my. I have a lots of responsibility on my shoulder. Sometime I some problem will come in my family member. That time I have to escape, and that some exam children exam will become. That time I think like that. How can I handle my YouTube journey and all. So so those problem will come. So that time little bit I face problem. Then how can I do continue my journey? But yeah, I think like this is a part of life. I have to tackle all the things in depend on the person how you are taking a stress and all. If you are not taking any stress and beautifully you are doing, then you can do.
Yeah, yeah. Great. Understood.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so in this way, but I never, I want to earlier, just now I went to my native place for a Chhat Puja. So that time I totally I escaped for a 1 week, and after that I came back. Then I realized that because if you are going to spend time like in any relative's house and all, so that time you focus on for like spend like you should spend time with them. Otherwise you are doing conversation and all, so that person will also think like that you are a very busy person. So sometime like family is also very important and society is also very important, everything is very important. You should give time you should give time on them also.
Correct. And I want to know your observation, like in your YouTube journey, what things you have observed with your co-learners.
Yeah, I observe many things for co-learner. Like some co-learner, you learn something. Sometime I think like that. I have a who is a started journey, just started their journey, but like her catching point is very fast. They use very good vocabulary and like sentence structure, and there are so many things. Then I'm learning, still I'm learning from them. For who is like started their journey, I'm learning from them like about like culture, about like their like separate state food and anything, I'm learning from them.
Understood. Understood. And if I talk about my state, Gujarat, and city, Surat related, so may I know how much knowledge you are having in your mind? Like what do you know?
No, I don't like I know like like food like khakra and dokla, like like famous food like in Gujarat, and like dandiya and all the things is famous like in Gujarat nowadays. Look, like not nowadays, everywhere like every people are following, every state are also following. If Navratri will come, then they start garba and all. Then this thing came from the, I think so, Gujarat.
Yes, you are absolutely right. And
Yeah.
if you talk about my city, Surat, so in entire India, Surat is holding second number in the cleanliness. And as you know, first number hold by Indore MP for the cleanliness.
Mhm.
And about the industries related, so Surat is famous in entire Asia for the textile industry as well as diamond
Cotton,
related.
so cotton cloths is more like textile in a Surat. Yeah, I know this thing from like Surat.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Surat
so
is also famous in diamond industry as well. Okay.
okay, okay. So yeah, I know little bit. I don't know that much. Like, and I have a little bit knowledge through the connecting with the people, through the learner. I day by day, I increasing my knowledge also and culture also. What is the culture of that city? So this
So you
way,
have not yet my city or state?
yeah, I went there like Ahmedabad.
Ahmedabad. Yeah, yeah, correct. Yeah.
Gujarat, Ahmedabad, I went there like for a very long time, like 2010 and 11.
Understood, understood. Great. Anything else you want to know from my
No,
end?
no, now I think so. My daughter is got up and she is waiting when Mama will be free, and then so if I'll get time in a future, I will connect with you.
No problem. In
Okay,
future, definitely we will connect again. Okay.
okay, sure, Mohammed. Okay, bye bye. Nice talk with you.